awuqala ulimala uzozobathi lalela lo mfana mina be ayemntwini khona uzibani ubaba uzibani
maybe bamshayile yeah all right
yeah that's why
yeah all right ko tlapo nna re Spanish mara o Spanish because as a team
yeah but
skin to a team ha o va ka di Cox o tlola di Cox out di thola ka go gaming Jay-Z metsi di Cox di metsi unghamnat wa tseba segalagala unghamnat mara ba bang ha ba ngele mnat
yeah so this Tambai nickname what khanan met di Tambai
this nickname ke thotse ke le ko Swallows I don't know as I'm taking players on I don't know na kutla Tambai le na ga sheba ke man Tambai how after the game they come to you, hey Tambai hey se ke le Tambai no just like that
but I think
from
there was
the
a song
yeah Dr. Vic
a big song and that was phela besase into ana part I remember Tambai Tambai
bankile that name from that song
Grand
My agent
so no snady agent
that's why I shoot it
that's why ba iketsetsa batho
that's why they make it and that's why the generation vele yama time ako pulung vele they hate the agents
yes because even if when I was even still at Sundown till go Cape Town I never hated an agent the agent this starter no se re tlotlohela ka bo Mike Makap so
yes sanibonani bafethu sanibonani ma South Africa mahle sanibonani ma Africa mahle swathandayo this is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski ringers bafethu I'm looking forward to this exciting episode namhlanje ngiphethe Grootman enye inzima kakhulu bafethu enzima but before ngizongena kuyo bafethu angifuni ukuthi ngimushe isikhathi ngifuna before ngizongena kuyo ngi-introduce isikhokho sami engivana naso our co-host isikhokho sikhokhelayo knowledge
Javas kunjani mngani wami
sharp kunjani ntwana
ngimnandi ngifresh mfana ngimnandi ngiyabona namhlanje mfethu uphethe ingwenya manje la labantu bayangiphazamisa mfethu labangihleli nabo la
nayi mic
ngispanisele mic yeah mfethu no man hey namhlanje siphethe abantu esincela ibhola kubo ke thina
yeah
uyazi la lo wesimpethe namhlanje kula sincele khona mina kakhulu mina ngiyibukelile le Grootman
ibukelwe yimi mfethu
ibukelile ndoda hayi
ibukelwe yimi mfethu andithema lami
le futhi
andithema lami ngalotho sikhathi angisho mina bengibhakane
yeah
oledi kuyikhosi ithema kuyiswayimani Swallows
all right
yeah so bengibukelisa Swallows le yami le yabona sengisho ithema lami akudlala Swallows amara no lesiphethe Vandag mfethu no imnandi kakhulu
yeah nami ankele yami befavor ilontuzana befavor Swallows kakhulu inhlengethwa ngizomtshela vele le show kumela ayibukele
yeah lesi sifavor Swallows inawo amazinyo yankele yakho mina ithema lami lamazinyo
angikhuphile
no ilezi bezihlukumezwa amangami la ngeapartheid phela lezi sifavor Swallows lezi ezindala so ithema lami lisharp blind part ku bus station Fort Lawrence balikhipha amazinyo that's why ngibuza ngithi most ezalama time afavor Swallows angaze ngalibona namazinyo aphelele no Feto I'm looking forward to the show Bafeto and before we start let me just go to this I had to read this Bafeto this video is brought to you by Betjet click the link beyond to register and use code JABU11 to get your 125% first deposit sports bonus to 1,000 use code JABU10 to get 10 rand sports bonus bet JABU50 to get 50 free casino spins link to register now bafethu siyayisusa manje bafethu we've got a very special guest and I'm very honored bafethu ukuthi namhlanje siphethe Grootman Eric Tambai Ramasike former Moroka Swallows player former Cape Town Spurs and former Mamelodi Sundowns Grootman ngiyabonga kakhulu for isikhathi sakho Grootman hey thank you so much for taking our invite Fede Maseken
Awe. Hola Javas.
Fede,
thank you for inviting me. Yeah. Thanks.
Kamba kanjani Grootman?
Grand. Sasiphilela siyaphusha.
Yeah.
It's work, soccer.
Ne?
Yeah.
Siyabonga man ukuthi manami eyithina sikhule sinibukela noma nami bengiyibhakaniya ukuthi mani but mawazi ibhola phela budlala ngale masayidini nami ngumuntu wasemasayidini. So nami bengokuncanywa vele.
Yeah.
Kahle sense wonke iplayer likeni disk intanga noma lingadlalela yiphi team. Uzolincanywa mawuncanywa idisk and mawukena idisk. Uyangifrostana. So uGotmani bengincanywa ishaw number 7 ne?
Ku-Sundowns bengifaka u-7.
7 ku-Sundowns, ku-Swallows
Swallows number 22.
22. Yeah,
ku-Swallows.
22.
Yeah.
Ugijima ngathi uphethe okapi uGotmani kwenzakala. Wekela le run yakho le. Le run yakho le. Before singene endabeni ufuna ukutshela ayabona vele amakalibamba tonati. Hala. Akuwa madoda Gotmani le run lena.
I don't know.
Maro yazi lento ekhuluma
Most of the people basho njalo.
Yeah,
But I
serious.
don't know, iyazenzakalela nje. Yabona, I don't know. It just
Uyaba
happens.
slicer.
Yeah.
Uba slicer.
Yeah.
No, nice one Gotmani ka pra Eric hayi cela sikhululeke Gotmani nje ngifuna nathi usitshele nje about your early days eSoweto and your journey nje ku football.
Yeah.
Asicale nje lapho Gotmani your early days eSoweto, maybe also maybe family background a bit.
Okay.
Yabona, so that abantu at least bazi ukuthi imvelaphi yakho ibuyaphi.
Ibuyaphi.
Yeah.
No, yeah. I'm born in Orlando East. Ngikhulela khona ngangena primary khona up until ngena isikolo ku next to Orlando High, Silelekela High School. But I was still playing football locally
Yeah.
and at school. So iqale khona la this thing of football. So playing for the schools, and then I joined the team called Orlando Chelsea. Yazi sidlala ama challenge na yabona eBhuqwini nje. Yeah. Calfoot.
Yeah.
That's why we started. And sidlala nge-tennis ball.
Hayi lili.
No. Besidlala nge-tennis ball. That's how we could yazi ngukudribula nge-tennis ball to enhance my skill. Ukuthi ngibe la ngikhona today. I think that tennis ball helped me a lot. Because into encane. Imagine a tennis ball sidlala ukudribulana. It wasn't easy, but we enjoyed it and we made it.
So pra Eric ngicela ukubuza Gotmani bendlala nge-tennis ball ngoba anina ball or vele bekuyi plan vele ukuthi chance to enhance our skills we must use the smaller one.
No,
so that when we get kule nkulu then things will be easy or beningena choice.
Besingana choice, besingana imali yokuthenga ibhola elinkulu. So we had to use what we had. And up until nje kuze lezi yabona lezi abo cheese boy nyane ezinenyuku nje ayikeni nebhola mara iza ngebhola. Yeah, sisiqhele ukuthi imfethu hayi mana siboleke. Sidlale sonke but masidlala ama challenge kanjani ngoba yona alikeni. Masibeke ebenchini iyakwata ithatha ibhola yayo ivaya ngalo so siyayinceka imfethu zwakala dlala nathi ke ngena noma ingayikeni but ayisayifaka.
Nyamfaka.
Sesiyaqala sisidlala sibeka ama these bricks. Istina. Sibeke ngale the one brick ngapha. Sidlala challenge. And siyakora ku that brick. Yabona ukuthi bokuyiz like ushaya target.
Kahle. And Gotmani ngiyakhumbula nathi because vele icalwe yini lento yama challenge nathi sayithatha kini saqhubeka ngayo.
Yes.
Kunalama player lawo ukuthi
Kunala
challenge. Yeah, ngina goalkeeper.
Yes.
Nalama player lawo bokuthi ayi mani bayenzela story lapha bayenzela amasimba bese kuba le egijimela ime
yoma epalini.
Ime epalini.
Ayifuni ukusuka. Ay.
Bendila kanjani?
Bese uyishaya ngevalavula. Ay yenza uyakora.
Ulichipa khona la.
Uyakora.
No, siyabonga Gotmani. And then ijourney yakho ke ye football iqale okay eSkela and then
Local football.
Yeah, local football Orlando Chelsea.
Yes.
Ku Orlando Chelsea nakhona ubone ubani or beyikhona wena was decided ukuthi okay kune club yangayi aroundini let me go and join, or maybe
No, ama-club amaningi bawangifuna e-Orlando. But I ended up joining Greenacre Rangers, the junior side, Mayfair, yengamla. Yeah, yengamla.
iphile Mayfair ingamla bekuboma
Bengihamba ngetrain le yabo lescropa basaqala babunga professional, but mina I was with the junior team, under 15 somewhere there. So any out beyidlalela bona yangicela manayi izawuzosijoyina, so I went for a training nje, sigibile training nje hayi avaya lengamla lezi zangithanda zathi hayi wena anyeke usavaya la babangakusayini babakusayina ngikuthengela ama-Cox.
yeah babuyele ekhaya
Yeah, ngina new boots hawo ngine ibhegi nyana ngisavaye ngeplastic egaming ngine tracksuit hayi ngathi hayi le Chelsea le izoma kancane ngiyalesilungeni.
but edladleni bebakhona abanye Holtman bebadlala idisc mhlambi before wena in your family.
Oh yes. My uncles, from my mother's side, they were very good. They were very good.
Yeah.
It's just that babadlalela bo pubs.
Hey, ngiyalazi igama
Yes, nami yawuzwa ukuthi it was a very good team.
Yeah, ligama
Abo
ngiyalazi,
pubs, bonke bam kakhulu from my mother's side they played football. And for my father's side, nabo 1 or 2, nabo they were very good. Yeah.
Then so okay, sorry.
Ngithathele kubo nje. Yeah.
But isigela bomnandi isigela ngincwadi.
Ngifundile jaba.
Yeah,
though azangiye kwi-varsity after ngenza inceda ngicomplete, and then because nakhona 95, that's when I went to Cape Town. But professional I tend ngisadlala ngisase isigele.
Yeah.
Kuswalosi bengisafunda.
Because why ngokubuza
ngiqale ngisasemncane actually. So bengisase isigele.
busasintwana.
And chaza ukufaka i-tracksuit e-Pirates uye nge-school bag xabeni Swallows. Yeah. Igari zokulanda la ekhoneni
ibrandile lapha.
Yes. Bekumnandi.
No, why ngokubuza ngokuthi ngesigela hayi ukuthi mhlambe ngiyakunyatha yabona. It's because I know most of us, including me, yabo ngile ngasiyeka isigela nami mangisayina i-professional contract with Chiefs bengisase Hulwazi secondary school eKasi eDaveyton, and bengishaya grade 11. Yabona ukuthi bengisemnyama.
Exactly.
And bebangiphusha even the late uBraskri Mashabalala, even uBrakey time yabona Bob Steak naye bebangiphusha ukuthi and bebagelezisa mahala.
Yeah.
Yabona bathi hayi endlini sizokukhipha naseKasi sikulethe ngayi. Yabona at least uthi manje mina
but you were focusing ku football inhliziyo yakho ila.
Mina inhliziyo yami ku football, so that's why
kakhulu nathi.
Leyo question ngibuziswa yilo ukuthi most of us isigela
ithi sewuceda nje i-matric nje ukuthi hayi i-varsity hayi ngizobona ngiconcentrate ku football.
At least man, at least iHotman yona at least iphehlile. Ifana nami nale yami usense ngisifana na iphehlile.
So it was life. So I went join again Greenacre Rangers, the juniors. I played, but bengidlala 2 games a day. eKasi uthola ukuthi ukudlalwa ngabo 11 ngiyavaya ngiyodlala le eyemali. Second half angisadlali, ngiyavaya ngiyageza ngibamba itrain ngiyavaya ngeMayfair. Zingimele lezi zengamla lezi. Ngiyodlala ngale sengithola imali eTaxi angisagibeli itrain manje.
Lezi
sengile nepocket money futhi kuyisigela. Uyabona? So
so Hotman ngitshele man eKasi Orlando, there's a lot of stars back then ababuya eOrlando and Soweto nje as a whole. Just a few mhlambe ukhule nabo odlale nabo nje ongabakhumbula bobani mhlambe.
I know we used to play against each other, Taban Lebesi, because he was at school soccer. Because he was playing for Bona High and I was playing for Silelekere. But before us, there were many players, man, from Kosovo to Orlando. It's just that the others, they didn't make it professional. Or understand, but we had talent. So there were also other guys before us. Baba from Soweto, like Bo Brashakes is from Orlando. Pravusi Lamula is from Orlando East as well. Yeah, so ke batho ba bangata man ba keneng Orlando High. Even Joma himself is from Orlando East. Ona kena Orlando High. So Orlando produces.
No, for sure.
Yeah, but produces it too much. And then how we are Soweto, Soweto, we've got too many players. Both Doctor, both Teboho. Yo,
It's
it's
too
a
much,
lot.
yeah.
Both Thabo Moki, it's a lot.
It's too much.
It's a
Bo
lot.
Atazwane.
Bo Atazwane, it's a lot. It's a lot.
It's a produce elite. So, the opportunity for you to go and play a professional football, how did it come about?
Okay, there was this guy, Temba. We used to school together. And then his grandfather, actually his uncle, Inele Boy Bart, if you remember that name. Boy Bart was one of Swallows officials. Inele, he had taxis. He was a taxi owner. So, asebetsa le bo Sicelo Mabaso, those officials are Swallows. So he spoke to Boy Bart. Hey man, there's this guy, Koskolo man. Hey, he's got he's playing good football. Will you please give him a break for Alo train Ale Swallows? And Boy Bart said no, bring him. So after school, go and change, and then jump in Boy Bart's car. Took me to Ellis Park. Brasten was there. He was the coach. Brasten, let's lo mfana omncane kanje. Uyabona phela kunakubaba. Mncane lo mfana.
Carlos at the time is a big team.
I haven't trained. Uzumlethe lo mfana.
Awukatrain.
Awukatrain.
Hayi, ifana noBastel. Futhi makangithembi kahle.
Yeah. And yavutha Swallows. Ithole bo Andries Mpondo, bo Steve Sikano, Manelo. Asashapa diphela.
Yes.
Lena bo Makasi Mphafudu.
Makasi Mphafudu, yeah.
Nayivutha Swallows, bo Calvin Peterson.
Calvin Peterson, yes.
Eish.
Owen Takama was there at the
He
time.
was there. Oh, well.
Yeah.
And then, okay. No. Boy, let's have fun next week, man. Sizombona. Asizombona.
Ngilakiswa ukuthi beyisoretse ngiyampictura should be ngekho mara ngiyampictura athi aye.
Yeah. So anyway, the following week I went to training. Started training with the team. Hey, Brastena, hey, Braboy, hi man, hey, kuse salahle talent la. Lo mfana uyavutha mos. Hey ngiyaxolisa man. Hayi makajime lo mfana. That's how I started. That was my breakthrough.
So it's
I started training with the team, but unfortunately he left.
Brasten.
Brasten left.
Yeah.
Ish.
Yawushaya.
Hey, you know, AJ, kuzumlungu manje. Eddie Lewis. Yes. So, trained with the team. He was impressed. Luckily, he was impressed, Eddie Lewis. After 2 weeks, said, we're signing you. That's how I got my break of Swallows.
So when you cause I remember me Abu Andries
That was
Chaka
89.
Yeah, Abu Andries Chaka Mpondo, Abu Konjubande Hotman Lengamla, Les Robla.
Yes.
They were there.
I played with them.
I remember the team.
Asim Nini was still there. I played with him.
Esimnini.
Who's Fulungu Hlongwane was there.
Hlongwane.
Yeah, I played with him. William Kura Makura, I played with him. Roger Disa, Calvin Peterson, Noel Cousins, Andy Sensik.
As a young boy, how did it feel? Weren't you intimidated?
Of course, it starts from training. Yeah. Because they will kick you. They will kick you from training. So it started there. But also they made me strong. And after kicking you, come the game, maybe for 10 minutes, they will still encourage you.
Yes.
You understand? They build your confidence.
Build your confidence. Yeah, no, nice one, Hotman. And then, what were your memories when you first signed that professional contract? Usakhumbula Hotman ukuthi bowuphi or bakutshela after training or wa trainer wa vaya wa edladleni and then bakubhelela but remuna itla officing or rawlata and when that happened what went through your mind?
Yo. Phela I remember, but my mother was working job and the time na baspan. We were not well off, but nearly sharp.
Yeah.
With my two siblings, my late brother Victor and my late sister, the younger sister Yvonne. So nentsele ba le mosgele anyway, and lena ha ke signa ne ke le mosgele. So ha ke go signa le Swallows, hey, I was happy. Or hey, eventually now I'm a Swallows player now. So I was on to the trial and whatever, or you understand,
Yeah.
we do la more benching, Rasau Sheba and all that, you know. So about for the back, got a little back,
Staff.
suits, yeah, stuff.
Yeah,
Everybody saw no, what I told her, oh, uniform. So I was excited. But it's like, you know, your first check. And now I don't know about other players. I thought of spending it with my family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you remember
Because go ladle it's Orlando rohotsi ile fence la bona fence la we take so yeah okay take eh mai lo wela ka for yeah
anymore the
oh e bona le gate la e bula
Tswegi o utlwa o le karao.
how we ka tswela khutla ka ina le spring understand
Yeah.
so I said you know what Eric started here. I buy editing, buy material. Then I build my mother a wall, nice wall, face brick, whatever. Then you get your signing on fee. You know how much was signing on fee those days? Hey, 1,500, bruh, for a year, for the season.
Oh, so one.
O gola malini
500.
Mara,
It was too much.
1989.
Yes.
no, in 1980, in 1980.
500, my salary.
Yeah.
And signing on fee, nah, my signing on fee was 1.5. How can you get 1.5? Yo. Hey, bro.
Mara, before sizodlula ukuthi mana because iziningi into ekumele sizitouch. Taba eyanyoku ne?
Yeah.
Because most of the time our like ama player ama Grootman njengane adlale before thina bahlale bathi like ushuti 500 1005 1989
Nine.
mina bengina 9 years
Yo.
nna because ngwanga 8 nami nginali 9 years old that time so le nyuku leyo beyincane at that time or bekuyinyuku esharp or bona mabasuke bathi thina besingaholi bakhulumela ukuthi inyuku yamanje angazi inkulu or ngicela usike sibalance also for our viewers because I always had this, that's my perspective ukuthi mara yes ama Grootman including nam ngabo 99 mangisign yes maybe nebang underpayer for the quality that and the contribution that I was giving to the team when I was playing but I still afforded a lot of things. Kilintwana, I had my car, I had my townhouse.
Yes.
So is it why? Angazuthi ngibeke kanjani sense ngifuna ukuthi is it true ukuthi
No, but Jabu, let me tell you, let me break it up for you.
Why bari thina besingaholi but ngalesa sikhathi yonke into be cheap like everything
was cheap.
Everything was cheap. Everything.
Yes.
So
yes.
is it
never underpay? That was
maybe
never underpay. But I could leave.
You could leave
because everything was cheap.
Yes.
You understand? But never underpay.
You could live better than your normal person ophilayo nje osebenza la shop.
Exactly.
Just like now. 10 years later, the players that are playing now would say le mali siyithola incane because laba bazobe badlala 10 years from now would say bazobe bahola maybe a month uzobe bahola 2 million. Lezi zihola 100,000 manje. Zizokhala but thina besihola amamalini ama 20,000. That is why we feel ukuthi but with time it's inflation all those things. That's why we feel ngathi we were underpaid but grand soccer players they earn above your normal person.
Kahle kahle.
Yes. No, we be lessons.
And then Swallows amapha amakhulumani awele wakuthatha ke so lapho so sayinile phela so intwana udlala la and sebakubonile ukuthi hayi umkhuthuzo umnandi uyalazi you understand it's someone that they need to protect also in terms of the talent and how was also the lifestyle nje generally ama player at that time khulumani so I'm asking you ama khulumani ayile wakudonsa it's like mentorship.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, ama khotmana wakubamba athi mfana kithi izala. Mhlambe ufike late ngelilanga athi hey mfana kithi.
I'll tell you one of them it was Sipho Sikonde.
Hey, Sipho Sikonde ngole.
Yeah.
Beyilanki.
Yeah. Sipho spoke to me Andris Mpondo, Manelo, the late Manelo, Goodman Hlongwane, most of the players. But I remember the one guy who were training Neribitsa Pet Sanctuary. How we are on your way to Santen. It's a park. Kama Houghton, next to the golf course there. Hey, it's a steep, another steep there. Have Sadalika the weekends, we used to go there and run. Eddie Lewis used to make us run there when we're not playing. But you know, you go to training just for your fitness on a Saturday morning. You go and run up and down there for an hour, and then you come back and you go home.
You sharp.
So, hey, running there. Hey, what's about also ulimnyane uqala hokena ntutsetsa tsa via lady chomi tsa hona on a Friday whatever ke tsere ke papalas ke Saturday. Hey, I'm tired because ke robetse late. Kumbi atla ke robetse mo kumbi. Hey, we did all these things. Joe.
Yeah, no, sure.
We did all these things. It's just that no sna these phones and whatever.
No sna media. Yeah.
The social media the tlo ntsha hore o bshaile why what? So I'm from there. I raya training. I feel like training. But now as you are running, there's this group and another group. So none can learn more group unyabo Calvin Peterson. So we're running. First lap, second lap. It's about 10 laps. I am tired now.
Atrekela.
What is?
Yeah. Atrekela re.
Habaya kwan naso. Nagori ke kata. Ke kata antumpo ni Calvin. Hey. Calvin. You're still young. Stop this thing of not sleeping. And stop this thing of cheating. Because they're gonna count in the game.
Yeah. It'll kawata.
It'll kawata.
And it'll bonala.
Hey, my brother, friends, you know what? I went home after training. I said, I said to myself, why is the game? Why is it 1-2? This thing of going to training and you want to take shortcuts is not gonna work. Because once you are in the game, you need that fitness. So I have to push myself, get up there. And I stopped this going out to we are training the following day because your body needs to rest.
Yeah.
So that's where I learned from. No, your body needs to rest.
So Eric in trainer we never thola opportunity ya udlala in trainer the real Soweto derby, and if you did play the real Soweto derby, which is Pirates versus Swallows again.
Oh yes.
That's the real.
Oh yes, the real one. Yes.
That's the
Yeah.
real
Yes.
one.
Yeah.
So ngibuza ukuthi uke wayithola opportunity yokuyidlala iSoweto derby, and if yes ngicela nje usihlafunise ama memories wakho.
Yeah, Jabu. Yeah, I played so many times against Pirates. So even before the game, you know, they'll sit with you guys, the official, they'll tell you about the history, the guys before us.
Before you guys.
Or hey, this is for the pride of the team. Because Runa never tried to hold AC Milan, never tried to hold Pirates. So please, let's not lose this game. Let's focus and then it's history. Put your name in the history books of Swallows.
Yeah.
And it was exciting.
Yeah, but he became Leo Kumbla Hotman, or if you don't recall, it's fine because intact are Leo Tim and Javasi, Nekima Kilo, maybe Kimang Mang, Howard Freeze or Kimang Mang, or what can make a meeting some rules.
Maro, let me tell you, the guy I was scared of, go Pirates, it was Mike Lambert.
Oh, I'm kidding.
Mike Lambert, he was playing at the back.
I know the name.
Yeah.
Oh, we have Kena sense.
Ingamla, yo, he was kicking.
Bingam, Beiza.
Anything that moves is killing kicks.
Maramangamla be wamnandi emina bengwathanda mangamla hayi lo lokubamba ijesu uthi ingamla li
The other one it was Lishos. Yeah. To Kate.
Awudlalanga naye kuSwallows because naye he was at Swallows at some
he was
point.
at Swallows before he moved to Pirates.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, you're right.
Senzilongaki
Yes.
Mara mfana mina ibhola bengilibukela. Angithi ngitshela ankele yami mntwana befavorite
senze
Swallows.
ngimdala kunawo wazi izinto
Ushilo ukuthi uyakhohlwa wena. You probably forgot.
mina ngibulawa
Yes,
Yeah.
you're right. I played
Yeah.
with him, Lishos.
ayi ya Hotman beshaya nayo
Aye, too much.
yiwa machita bo wasaba lawo
Yeah, aye, but abanya.
Mara ngoba bekungana social media back then. I want to know because now masibukela iDerby le Chiefs and Pirates. It's the build up.
build up
Build up yabona.
Yes.
So kuba na that excitement with
Exactly.
you. With
Those
you guys
days
there
it
was no
wasn't there.
social media. So
bekwenzakalani
bekwenzakalani.
I don't know why bona build up ya novel
I tshwane ya back
ke
then.
batla ya lona
Eh,
feel
yeah,
like
yeah,
Australia.
but Nabatla Stadium.
But during the week ko strateng a le
They talk
tsamaya.
about the game. Yes,
Yeah.
they talk about the game.
Why utlwa le wena
Yes,
gore
yes,
there's a big
exactly.
game coming.
Hey, nadliwa nina kusasa. Hey, next week inadliwa. Wabona iniba that thing.
manje lesikhathi usase kuswallows Hotman insayizi angisho sasentwana
Yeah.
as lesingakudisturb because ngiyazi ama-soccer players mfethu sometimes kunama-soccer player abothekeni asiba hhayi ukuthi uyabancane but uthola ukuthi you are a superstar bayitlisa
Especially at school, but nah,
Yeah, by
I wasn't
tease.
entertaining that. So, look, ukasi nje.
Yeah.
Ukasi because my friends, Jola Lemang. So we are one group. So I wasn't motwa or kichencha. Woka sana kichencha.
no really focus
No,
and then
no. Especially ko that thing. Hey, my mother was very strict. My mother was very strict. Nalibuhali. Le no, santsana libuhali.
no sekuseling ka
Yeah, vele, yeah.
sasele lethu yakude hey
Yeah.
sikalibala
Hotman imputse Chairman Ola Chabedi.
Yeah.
Were you still at Swallows?
Yes,
When you
yes.
was- yeah.
Yeah, he was running the team.
How
He
was
was the
he
chairman.
as a chairman?
A very
Because
tricky
there's
guy.
a lot of story in the Kidwood man.
Oh, very tricky guy, sense. And that guy, when you want money, it was stressful, Koswalos.
Yeah.
I remember when Kobatla increased.
kyalaga mara ke
Yeah,
tsebisa
Kemolata Street, one man, because these other guys, they were scared of him. Kikinako ikitlo vaya he. Kia
Sundown.
ke ya Cape Town.
Cape Town.
Tengala. Ke batla vai ke re mphetli re ntsaka because ke batla you pay me peanuts now. I can't. No. Mfana kithi. Ubuela ku class mfana kithi. Re two ko office. Bona mfana kithi. Watsiba tlapa ina chelete. Tsontse utlusisa. Ha re thola sponsor. Ke tlo patala. Ke re no name brother man. No, it's been years now. Man tse ke gola salary wa no I can't. I don't know mfana kithi. Lo yena ke roster. Mara wa bona ko Sundowns ha batla o tsamaya ya Sundowns. Mara wa tseba mo ntlong ha una le TV tse 5 o tlo sheba E1. So meaning ya Sundowns ba tlo dlala ba bang. Wena ka sidlala.
Ay bo.
Again, ke re mare.
E sa lo shapa ka emotional blackmail,
The
mos.
time, man.
Eh o shapa ka emotional blackmail.
You understand? Vela, ho ya Sundown to na le player tse 5. Di lala position
E ke re wa una eh that's why ke re o shapa ka emotional blackmail.
Yeah, but o shapa TV one, not when.
So before we continue Bra Eric Nelsina the agent lona.
Ah, fuck all. Yo, Jabu, ay. Runar limits. Nasa tsidike injet.
Being it
Agent.
like at all.
Le only la how haba ka offer contract bar zamawe e bala le time la how. A tsebe next ka contract ya football.
Eh.
What is he going to advise you? No, close the AI, I sharp.
Yeah.
My father didn't know anything about football clause and.
Le yona tšhelete a e
Contract.
bonang mola ke paya o re
We bona
thatha
fela hore
lemali.
no, gaan speel man.
Yeah.
Me like gaan speel ball. No, as die ding van jou, gaan speel.
Yeah.
I don't do me me like speel ball. Ja, gaan speel.
Oh, so my agent.
So, no sna the agent.
That's why I should.
No sna, that's one ba iketsetsa batho ba.
That's why they make it, and that's why the generation vele yama time ako pulung vele. They hate the agents.
Yes, because even if when I was even still at Sundown till go Cape Town, I never had an agent. The agent did this starter no se re tlotlohela ka bo Mike Makap so we tlo
Di qala ka rona tja.
Yes, ka
Yeah,
lona.
e qala ka rona.
Yes, ka
Ba-
lona.
phela thina se replace
Yes.
bona.
No, you're right. Sense
Yes, ka lona.
yeah.
O re motho na le agent. What is that agent?
Wetsang.
Agent. What's a ka agent?
And then now o vaile jwang ko Swallows then we are Cape Town.
I get nasa batle ka my clearance certificate.
Yeah.
Or ke via outright.
Yeah.
You know when out if ever they don't want to they can't even sell you because he wanted to make money can.
Grand.
Because not able to catch it. O batla o etsa Zak.
Yeah.
So ha gone because Cape Town Spurs missed the every. Yeah, we le Cape Town Spurs one patla. So o batla hore Cape Town Spurs patal. Wa bona Cape Town Spurs re no. Phela bo 1.2 million kana ko ipaya.
Yo. Yeah.
Yeah, ipaya for the team ipaya. No, we can't. Okay, I read the deal here. Loan us. Yeah. Loan ka okay sharp. Aye. Wa bona how bua ka loan is fine. Mish sharp. Mish ampelela no, we're going to pay you this amount. Come to Cape Town.
Keep guy.
This is your salary. Emona from the 1.5 tsene ke di thola. Se ke tsama ka bo 6,000.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
Yo,
It's
it's
a
a
big
lot.
It's a big difference.
It's a big difference.
Yeah, ka tsamaka. A fitla kwa se re buile verbally le Miss the Ivory. Ban loanile he ke antwena. A ke fitla kwa ban lata airport ra dula. Ra ko tla pentsonse ke sign. A sa jiga len. The very same day kara ka funa ko ladlen kara. Ai, Miss ke na ka vaya. I'm going back to
Same
Joburg.
day?
Same day.
Yena o laka-
Until verbally over the phone or you're going to pay me this. Ai, usayijika.
Yung 6,000 e wa sa batla o patela.
Yes.
Sa batla-
No,
sa
no,
phone
some
guy.
people no, you have to pay for your own flat. Oh, understand? And that's no, it doesn't work like that. Doesn't work like that. You pay for my flat, you give me that amount of return kayon. So, Rabanali, that argument nyana kar no. Kavaya kaya mobam bukitsinte karobana. The following day I was waiting for the taxi to go back to Joburg. I feel like I said, no, don't worry, don't go. Everything is fine. Your flat is there, is ready, whatever. Got okay. Then I had my flat and I was happy. I started
Yeah.
playing football.
Hey,
What's about the football or with an
Without-
open heart? Not because house na stress, hauna wabona to stress or focus it. That's when we started winning here. The Pop Save and the league. Lebo Sean Bartlett and both David Modise. Yeah.
David
Bo
Nyati.
Andre Arends,
Nyati
David
na-
Nyati.
Nyati,
Nyati.
yes.
Yeah. Bo Roger
Andre.
Lipia, Andre.
Le defender e ke mang Francis.
Francis Shonai. Shonai. Yeah. He
Olakgane.
was a Zimbabwean captain.
Yeah.
National team.
None
A very good player.
Aye, so chill or ke
Bo
mang.
Craig Rosley.
Yeah.
Yeah.
NH is a
no,
team.
that
e
was a
ke a
good
hopola.
team.
Yeah,
Yo.
yeah,
Their
NH is a team,
Their
yeah.
team be and o tletse
Bo Zane Alexander.
Izene Alexandra. O tletse one season dane.
One season.
That season,
Yes. Rawina the double.
Double, yes.
After more,
Then how did you go to Sundowns?
the club was sold the owner, David Rodwell, relocated to Australia. Because initially, the owner of Shoe City, why opened that company in Eriksadi Tlhako, Shoe City. They had this.
Oh, Shoe City, yeah.
Yes,
Only
yes.
owner Cape
Yeah,
Town
yeah.
Space.
Yes, yes.
Wow, yeah, no,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah,
Shoe
he
City.
was the owner of Shoe City, so he sold Shoe City, sold the club, and then he went back to Australia. That's when I came back. No, I'm on loan.
Ke batla ho ya da. Yeah.
I'm
Tshwantse o
on
ye le
loan.
mhlo- mmele o boele o le ya mohlolo.
Yes, mo di TV tse ngata. Ai ke ra ya ke da. Ai ya ke da. Ke khutle back to Joburg. Eish, since I can team no. Ba tseba ke khutlile team e rekisitse Khumbi ya tla no. E tlo nlata ba busgo. Le majita he.
Yeah.
Bo Andrisi ba tletse Khumbi. Nna phela ke mo Orlando, re jimela Ren Stadium. So ba gcina ka nna. Ya tswa Khumbi no.
Oh, isuke
So re deep to Tshwara freeway. Kwabilas.
Rand.
Training. Aye, vaya. Yeah. Ba chala sa vaya. Hey, how is gymming? Aye. Aki gymming. Ba vaya, ba blele Chabit. Chabit a romela outengwe ne tswa Toronkong.
Kala.
Ka itse ba utena vele ke time man. O tla tshwere 357.
Yo.
Ko dlale. Wa kena la. Mfundo Eric hayi plus ke go room da outside room da. Ke blumila wazwakala. Mfana mbunjana sharp man. Manje kwenzakalani ngawe? Hayi mina ngikho grena ngisabuyele team. Awuthi it's so. Awusabuyele kanjani imponsaka? Awusabuyele kanjani?
Into usabuyile ke. Yo.
It's phela ibhasi lizoza lizokulanda. Uze Jimmy. Andike supporta mara motho na le tlosi le Chabit time ya. Otswa vele whatever.
Shoot lezi bezenza bomba dirty work nyana.
Yes. Bara ba tlo etsa jaka roadblock. Opula roadblock ba le ba molaya sa ba tlo dwalla swallows.
Hey, no, lwena wanana wadi.
Mara kara, this is my talent. Ha ke vaya ke tla vaya ka yona. Mara never by toll.
Yeah, can.
Yeah, I stayed at home. Khumbi tla ke sathu jabu, ke sathu. Aye. I stayed home for 6 months. Ke sadlala football.
Yo.
Half a year mos.
Yeah. 6 months since kisina salary
Yeah.
from Swallows. But there's this guy, Sipho Dlengezele. Grootman
Yeah,
ya Mrembo ya tapes Mrembo. Nele uncle ya tapes. Sipho, I was a friend with him. Guys and Dollar at that garage. We were friends. Abuale Ivan. Why to know le brango ya bra Ivan. Banana, he was a taxi owner there. So Nicolata Chalete, not to kill the pirates. Ivan Abuale Chabit ara morek. So none ke hola ko pirates via banana.
Oh. Hey man.
Yeah. Kilum na that's why next warlo ya Jimmy.
So ono khole o sa Jimmy.
Yeah. Mar no tshwantse ke ye pirates, no tshwantse ba nna nka be ke sa ya Sundowns, ka be ke le pirates. So ahana ka
Clearance.
So bra Ivan I don't know what happened. Tabatora to let clearance from Chabit, and then I think Bonatasha they phoned Chabit. Chabit I speak to him. Okay, Makitsu can call. Natasha, hey, come to our offices, Le Angel. Come to our offices in town. We are Mr. Chiklas and Mrs. Natasha. What. Hey, it was like a dream, man. Man, ban shaya. Scam. Maraka those days no study scam. I can say. I think address. Okay, yeah, Mare, man.
Yeah.
6 months ke sadlala ke funa ke Sundowns.
Hey man.
Zwaar the following day ke avai ke a Joe's. Fihla la thola di office tsa bona ke a kena. Zwaar vele ba nkemetse. Ara kena Mr. Natasha ke ba meet Chiklas bra Alex Oda. Imfana ke the ga lo ro batla wena man. Tloela di baritse tsa Soweto ba o baizisa. E tla ka ntle.
Yeah, tloela bo diamond.
Re a go bo diamond. Tloela e tswa ka ntle. Yeah. Ne rejoin ke ra ne shabra Alex a re kena officing re dula. Good deal. So na tsa bo ma 20,000 here.
but wait.
From 5 6 ta bo ma 20 ha.
Hayi phela
Signing on
no,
fee.
yeah.
Ke sign. Felix sign akira kina agent.
Mara, no, before you move on, there was Ivan in somewhere down
sale teng for Ivan because-
How do you go? Because I ungayenza lento leyo jabo. Kufana nokuthi phela unokhe uBrian yena.
Utlile uthola king the
Clarence.
parents from
Chabedi.
Chabedi wanted money
Yeah.
and he didn't want to pay.
Oh.
So I have to move on. I can't wait for him. He has an offer.
Yeah, no, but I think since
And I
what,
can't just be getting paid for nothing.
So azange awufa problem ya hore I was paying you for the
Yeah.
past 6 months.
No.
Now you are signing
No,
for
no,
15.
no.
Yeah.
Aye.
Oh,
And we're
brap-
still good, even today. We're still good. I'm a Paris fan, by the way, so we're still good.
Yeah, which were back then he was still soft, Brian.
Yeah, no not problem.
Ngeke uyenze manje lento le.
usho kanje,
Ah,
manje
man.
kusika Groote.
Hayi ntwana chairman.
Hey chairman ndodana. Yabona noma sikhuluma naye kuyathuleka.
Yeah, kumele ufake nenhlonipho. Bengeke ayenze manje.
Not problem. Marutsi bo nexa deal na direct ntwini.
Yeah.
Oh, bekhona itet.
Akere ke ya bolela, akere ne ke deal le Sipho, Sipho deal le banana.
Le banana.
So marikile ka ya ko ntlong ya hae ko Dube le ko Osmanto.
Okay, yes, the latest one.
Yeah, re ya da le Sipho. Wa bona. So wa bona ne siba to ya direct. Yeah. Phela na sa batlo bona hala hore nkare wa nkutsa from Swallows. Wa bona sa batlo
the especially Pirates Swallows.
Exactly,
yeah.
the history and all that. So
Yes.
na sa batlo I didn't say.
So only go Sundowns too. And then uthola bomangda and awufihla what happened?
It was nice. Yo, ke thola bo Joas Magolego, Fire, NS Mtawali, Augustine, or rejoinile sa atwa from overseas, Makalakalan. Lipizzo, a rejoina, Lena Satsa
Lipizzo white.
Yeah.
Makalakalan.
Yes, Makalakalan. Yeah, Libo Pizzo, then by rejoin, and then we had Dan Malisela, Paige Mahlangu,
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula bo.
Michael Manzini, Chuku, then he joined us there, Le Roger, Futumba, when I was there, Lebo Ajao, hey, we had so many players, Bo Mambushi, Bo Soli Petla,
Yeah, yo, so
yeah, Bo Kenini Mark.
yeah. But how was the environment there and then?
Ah, it
Because
was
now
nice.
utswako Swailosi Rata and you did well there, mara bawutshela or hey akunamali sizakubhatala makufika isponsor.
Exactly.
Now uyahamba uye Cape Town, hey son uba happy nyana, udlala ibhola lakho kamnandi without stress. Hey son, ione yavaya manje.
Exactly,
ithengisa
ke-stress
lento.
same. Yeah.
Stress ive, but na team enkulu manje futhi njenge Sundowns iyabuya ithi ndoda buya la ndoda. Asiye because siyazi ukuthi umnandi and you can
Exactly.
add value.
Yes.
Uyabona
Yes,
kule
yes.
team yethu le.
Yes.
You can add value. So but so ngifuna nje ukuthi like I difference yini bekuyini oyibonile uthema ufika wayibona first different oyibonile kulama team wethu Cape Town Spurs ne Swallows oyibonile ku Sundowns and yakwenza ukuthi uthi yazini now kusekhaya la because na ku Sundowns ukuthi manje bovutha.
Yeah, no, thanks.
Yo
Thanks.
hayi
Thanks.
kusanta ena kusanta ukuhamba ngale sandla sakho lesi ngathi uphitha ukapi hayi uhamba hotmani hayi uhamba hotmani so
no,
yeah
thanks, Jabu.
what was the difference masusuku Sundowns to your previous two teams?
No, the guys welcomed me. Hey, it was nice ko Sundowns. Ke thotse majita sharp.
Sharp.
Yeah, especially the Orla, Joas, Lebo Fire. But most of the guys were nice. So it was a family. We were like a family there. But even the management, you could see, hey, yeah, there's a big change because
Professionalism.
professionalism. Yeah, how do you Kentucky? No. Proper meals and understand le camper at a nice place since it's eish.
And esikhohli ukubuza vele
Hey,
ukuthi
mfethu,
ngale
tsatsa,
Moswales
tsatsa,
nge-Premier
Swallows.
League benidlala.
Ay,
Yazi
ay,
isikhohli
ay, ay,
na kusho ukuthi imphethe kabi le ndaba. Yabona uyayikhipha. Yabona uyayikhipha. Yeah,
Hey, even the
good
hotels monor camper thing.
Also, do you guys also were camping?
We were camping.
Okay.
Campela Hill, bro, Joe. What do you expect of Campaco Hill, bro?
Mara nile top hill pro mara khotmani.
Yes, yeah, but you're right.
Are we
but,
vibe? It was
man,
nice.
The surroundings.
Oh, that's the thing.
The surroundings.
For a professional
can't
player,
put
you
players
can't be
there.
there. Before it will move up, because I want to know the highlight of your any game that you remember, go Sundowns or games or moments.
Yeah.
Yeah, good and bad. Ngizocela ukuthi ushare nathi mase ku Sundowns. Good memories and bad memories. Even tsawulahisa.
Yeah,
Ukashare because it's a podcast. We want those
Yes.
inside stories.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. But linto bengifuna ukuyisho ukuthi benami benginokuyenza la ile ngikuChiefs.
Yeah.
Because iChiefs igcoka kahle.
Yes.
Dali iChiefs igcoka
Yes,
kahle.
yes,
Yabo
yes.
bese nokuthi masidlala for example with all due respect nabo Thembisa Classic yabona la team.
Yeah, it's a good class. Yeah.
Labagcoka into
Yeah,
ongayazi.
yeah,
Yabona. Yeah, agcoka into ongayazi. Yabona. Yabona. Awuyazi le brand.
Yeah.
Futhi amanye
Yes.
bewangena brand. Amanye ama team. Yeah, amajezi wabo bewangena brand. Bekuyiskipha nje.
Yeah,
Bafaka
yes,
inamba
you're right.
Ne-logo ye-club.
Yes.
So I used to do that wena ukuthi man ko Thaneleni.
Yeah.
Ay masivela lapha masesingena manivela lini. Ngithi bafethu. Bheka ngishaya Nike. Bheka le Nike imnandi kanje. Ale pijama.
Yeah.
Angangilala nokulala ngiyophupha kabi mangalala nokulala ngani. Yabona mangikwatisa laba mental.
Exactly.
Akere nale ke dlala mental games.
Yes,
Yabona,
yes.
but ke understand and ebobona because some of those teams we really singabangani. Remember thina ebholweni noma ungadlala Sundowns dlala iChiefs
No, it's true.
but we are
It's true.
friends.
Yes,
Masingekho
yes.
emagroundini
Yes.
we stay together,
Exactly.
richila kaufela.
Yeah.
Sometimes richima kaufela. Utsodlala la Swallows, ngidlala
Exactly,
Pirates. Mara kani
exactly.
weekend because awuthaka richima kaufela.
Yes.
Uthole awuthenga uchayelo remfana. Awazi mfana ungidinile mfana eThaneleni mfana lathusatha ngoba ngithi udinwe yini uthi ngithenga ithi vele ngiyazibheka le team yami naJeslin
Alikho.
angabona ukuthi hey hayi sisase fair okay other bengirelate nje ukuthi man
Yeah.
your good memories and ama memories yakulagisile ama memories mhlambe ayile wababhet izinto ezile zakuphatha kabi ku Sundowns zakuphatha grand
You know,
on and off the field ukuthi man
the-
ngifuna ukukuyeka ushare yonke into ungakuphazamisi
When I joined Sundowns, that thing disturbed me a lot because I signed this week, go to training. The following week, I snapped my groin.
for the first time bongakazi ube ne
No, not the groin. I katabola king. The hamstring.
hamstring
Yes.
yes
If I sign, I so told my signing on fee.
awusoholi ntata
Oh, imagine how bad it is.
Yeah.
Now I go to training. I'm injured. I just joined the team. Bampitse ko office. Kita mafiza bampitse ko office mo
Yes, sir.
Natasha. But no. You know what? O ka rutlile mo ona le injured. So, but we're not going to pay you your signing on fee. A re menyana. Tsa mafizo re bona hore wa hila o ba sharp. As
awushapa kaflash no
Yo, now it's a mafizo. They're paying, it's a mafizo. Hey, eventually ka beka ba sharp. It's a ba sharp ka start o tlala. Ba bona ra motho wa vutsa.
eri awutsova fizo
Yeah.
azange uspanise ezintweni sigalagala
Ah,
azange
yeah.
balo
Yeah, no,
no
aye.
because kyatseba batsela
Yes, you're right.
hey yawuli
No,
awucala ulimala bathe
Yeah,
mina hey lo mfana
no.
mela emntwini man
Yeah, no,
uzozo bathi lalela lo mfana mela aye emntwini
Yes.
khona uzibani ubaba uzibani
Maybe bamshayile.
bamshayile
Yeah, all right.
yeah that's why
Yeah,
I
it's
think that
all right.
in that process
No, ibile next motho a ntotse, but go tlapo nna re di Spanisa. But o Spanisa because as a team.
yeah but
O swallow skin to a team. Ha o vai ka di Cox o tlola di Cox out di thola ka go gaming Jay-Z metsi di Cox di metsi o nkhamnat wa tseba se galagala
Yeah.
o nkhamnat mara ba bang ha ba ngele mnat
Yeah. Okay, sorry. Bafethu, please don't forget to like, to share, and hit that notification bell for you to get the latest report as Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Shuffling Tiski Ringers, ne Hotman Eric Ramasike. Hotman, yeah. So, Vafizo, Upeno Basha.
yeah ke va fisa ke na ke basha played ba bona ya ka performa ku gaming game tse 2-3 ba release the selling out fee I release ka mamnat started playing ka Brasten hey o ko Sundowns no
Yeah.
ke fihlela mo yena
Yeah.
that season we didn't do well. We came out we finished number 14 Moliki. Yeah.
Ka ditatse tse so.
But abatsebi
Ike yafika ku number 14 is
number 14 we finished 14th.
Netabe niziphethela amathito wabalile Hotman yami.
Wadlala bo
Abe banishayile.
orla ili
le balisa-
abar Brasten le ne mara ne di popa di shapa kamo ai
Nenetsang.
di shapa mothuko ai
Yeah.
anyway the second season Brasten bamchitha okay sharp we carried on Reinhard Fabish azwakala lena we didn't do well up until utla Bratet nane ke mitsa Bratet here
Yeah.
yeah you know you
I know it.
yeah what a tet you know it started co training this thing or how trainer that's why about don't take it lightly when they say this thing of football how about now you are good on the day of the game. It's not like it started from training. Your training self way now we came and the methods that you use uncle training. So the guys started enjoying the training session started because it was only kapolo. Whatever you do kapolo. Yes. And you gain stamina kapolo. So you gain that confidence from training. We go gaming. Because go gaming udlala football you don't run wabanka 1-2 udlala 1-2 awukhathali
Yes.
yeah so that's where he started
So,
a former teammate and I remember the management wanted to get rid of Dan Malesela and Page but no they are old. Hey, but we were disappointed, man. Why? These guys, they've got so much experience. Why it's until
yeah.
No, talk to the management, Babuali management, Teta Buela. Abalwane.
Abalwane.
They signed them. Look what happened today. Rawina 3 league titles. Dilatalana saw. Kabo Page, Kaden Malese.
Hey, that team.
Yeah, Yakopana team ya.
Kopana.
Rakala winner the first league. Babono re team ya jail. Kari joiner ke the other players Bo Chuku, Bo Roger Futumba, team ya vote. Since from then, Ranka the bait and we ran with it.
Yo.
Winner Bo Hortmans, Bo Pop save.
Yeah.
Never winner. Man.
Yeah, no, hey, their team,
never
they are
win.
very, very dangerous, their team.
Never winner. Up until Huta, the president, Patrice, Atoreka team, Atoreka the shares. So I remember Naradlala, nearly, I think, Johannesburg Stadium. Sorry, Johannesburg Stadium. So always, Otlalebo AB Croc, the late Crocs.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, it's a suit. So Rona Hunter stress, I'm a lebo Joas Maholer. Etaga. Mardiman, Markiman Dimanta. Wataka man Dimane. Orilla diamonds. Yeah, waba driver. Get driver yabo trot. Yabo croc.
Wait, bola man. The president, Alimti.
Aramti.
Lunala no driver bu.
Bokro. Javas.
Kantikil ngam, la kilinyora.
Lebo fire.
Hey.
Tagai. Oh. Wataga wa reila. Wa taga.
Mare ngwenyere.
Wa reila taga.
Yo, bafet.
Arimiti di man. And I thought president back in a little croc. We'll laugh because the Croc brothers, they were old. Ardala Cup games back in LA. Guys, come on, good luck. We want 3 points today, Mardala Cup. Kibo Croc.
Yeah. The way by the
What are 3 points ka cup game?
so
No,
Patrice
Mr. Croc, no, we're playing
so
cup game.
Patrice Sansa Valbon, habu we next.
Abu we forgot, I don't say. Up until Modo, I tell how to retire. Yo, this guy is coming to buy Sundowns. No, this guy is a millionaire, billionaire, whatever. He businessman. Hey, Rabotan, Taga. I got a little level, the man worried. The man who's renting, they are really. Yes, renting. The man. I really tag. Hey, me, bra. Diamond at Oraka Sundowns. Yo. Kimoro Bonamoro Bafana Bahola. Taka Oraka Babajano is a rabuela.
Oh, neselivaile luna.
That's a revail. Most of the players.
Yeah.
Maruba bonile. Ubeka libele besakaqalile
Yes, that's why
Patrice alibele eza. Yeah.
That's why it's about the whole players, the old players. What? Because he was attending our games at the changing room, so he knows most of us.
So this Tambai nickname. Wat gaan aan met die Tambai? It's okay.
Javas. This nickname nah, I don't know. You know when the fans happy, they are singing. So as I'm taking players on, I don't know. How after the game they come to you, hey Tambai. Hey, Tambai. No. That's how I got the name. Just like that.
But I think
from
there was
the
a
fans.
song.
Yeah, Dr. Victor.
A big song. And
Yes.
that was remember
Yes.
Tambai.
Yes.
Tambai.
Yes.
What
Yes.
Tambai?
Bankile that name from that song.
Kren.
Yes. Yeah, it's a song.
Yeah, yabona mfana mabakbizi i-nickname ngengoma enkulu.
Yeah, it's a song.
Should bomb cool.
Indalele. Yeah. No, kushuthi bomkhulu mfethu. And then Hotmanaka ase remove Mtwena. Twena. So now ke batla gore wena ungitshele ukuthi what's the difference between your generation ya Diski with this generation ya Diski and yini into beniyenza nina ebeyenza ukuthi ama fans agcwalisa stadium kanje at that time eyenza ukuthi this current generation or engayenzwa yi this current generation because ama fans athanda entertainment. That's why bekugcwala ngalama generation wenu ukuza so even nge generation yethu still yabona stadium besagcwala si lahle kuphi why ama fans manje angasayi stadium or a choose ama game ukuthi
I know. Yes.
I just go Chiefs and Pirates
Yeah.
In your view Hotman ubona ile
It's a job na sharp. Na ke batle I don't like okay. Compare generation. I mean, we are kadinako.
Yeah.
And that's my view. We are kadinako, kadi generations by generations. But now I believe in social media is thing.
okay.
Oh, understand?
Okay.
That was an advantage. Or ukashaba game mo TV like today. I mean, more phone like today.
Oh
Lili tabata udula ko tlung o be comfortable o shebe TV why it's game it's mo 202 it's on my SABC 1 those things but people they wanted to go to the stadium babona good football but there was good football and people enjoyed it so coming to that but basathola baya the stadiums and not supporting the national teams. After the 96 win ya rona ya AFCON. Before we had a very good team, national team.
Yeah.
Strong.
Too much.
Yeah. Good from 94, 95, until build up until we win the 96 one. And supporting Elengata because we had good players. And Baba strong, Wabon they were well built and the players
Hey, their team they were very strong. Yeah, you're right.
Yes.
Physically,
Physically, yes. That's why we could compete. But the support in by Tola, it was big. But after Mo, yeah, national team. There is how no roya this stadium. But siyadliwa. Wa upolarisha po ke mo Nigeria bo 4x4 ba re bitsa eng. So le standard sa di teams siye sa ya ko
Yeah,
class.
but manje uyibona kanjani
No.
standards is
Standard
yeah,
is
sa PSL.
for now it's coming up. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's coming up. Though this other team yeah can clear dominate, but the standard is coming up.
Yeah, but okay,
Yeah,
Lina was one
yeah.
of those people kere new, but somehow ngacini is correct. About a wise man always changes his mind. Ngacini ngithi no, but yes, banayo imali, it's fine. But laba, look at teams like Stellenbosch. It's a good example.
Yeah.
Banayo imali.
Yes,
Baphethwe ama-billionaires.
yes.
But they didn't go this route. Bona they develop.
Yes.
And
yes.
they're losing now for the
Yeah.
past 3 seasons or 4 seasons. They are losing top players every
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
to Gauteng
Yes.
teams. They are losing their best
Exactly.
players go Cape Town, Ditlakai to Gauteng team.
You're right.
But they still promote a young player
Yes.
who's gonna replace that one like a
Yes.
Trav.
Yes.
So I'm saying
Yeah, development.
it's development.
Yeah.
That's where
They believe in that.
they believe in it. That's why Lina kile ka ibona later on man. Karai man. Sometimes yes nyakhala but nalaba development benzani. Why
Yes.
can't they invest bona ke more?
Exactly.
Good development. So and then other than that Khotmani, what's your view ka bafana because we touchile before uHugo Bros afika uMadala besinabo 8 years. At least 8 years, almost a decade.
Yeah, usayithale fuck all.
Bona Leko Stadium bekungena next bekuze kuba ngcono
Exactly. That's what I was talking about.
bekuze kuba ngcono ama game mawaya
Away.
away
Yes.
yabona bekuze kube ngcono
Yes,
nakhona bekuba
exactly,
ngcono
yeah,
bekuba
yeah.
ngcono
Yes.
And then nalamanye ama team nje in the African continent ibafana bebangasayisabi bebangasayi respect besidliwa
Too
nabo
much.
Seychelles
Yes.
i-Seychelles phela abantu balapha i-part time ama-fishermen ama-chef nabo bantu badlala ibhola part time but they will beat us but now uMadala Khotmane yami ulethe he has built a very strong team,
formidable team.
and also a database, a pool of
Yeah.
players
Yes.
that if this one get injured
Yes.
or
And
this one
Babarin the small teams. No, I don't take there.
He
Why?
takes.
He takes.
Why? As long as you got a week in, week out, yes.
Yes.
So yeah.
And
What's
answer player also it's or hey, this guy, come on, had a national team. Because I get the team setting like you were saying. I really say that even if they play they play against each other.
I didn't say
Skukun against Polokwane City.
yeah.
Oh, I understand.
Exactly,
And Madala will go there, go Polokwane City or Skukun. Until a defender. Umakale mfano la shayina mo ntweni. Ka game ya national team or hey, this boy odlala ngani. Ba re Skukun.
That's why ko botso ke re ya. What's your view nje ka Hugo Bros man?
No,
and the work
I'm
that,
happy.
The work that he has done
Yeah, now
so
I'm
far.
happy. I'm very happy. Especially when it comes to selection of players. I'm very happy because he doesn't select the best fella go Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns, or the so-called big teams.
Big teams, yeah.
It goes down. Go the team in relegation, but to like a player. And if it's a more national team and do the job.
Hey, bona mina pegi example namanje.
But a police, who could think of a police? Kimana mtsebe.
Yeah,
No,
for
but
sure.
to be honest,
Yeah.
That's true.
because
Yes.
Lorna se remarkete re bona, hey, mfano, utswa ga mfano.
Yeah.
O dlala Polokwane. Ke mang a police. O monkile Hugo Bruce. If it wasn't Hugo Bruce, na to no mtsebela ga
No
police.
20 atle
Aje Chiefs, aje Pirates, aje Sundowns. Ko na ba tlo mmona gore mfano o
and anything
ntse.
bamureke one of those three then
That's what I'm saying.
Kanye bazombili.
Yes.
So are you happy with the
I'm happy ka Hugo Bruce.
sense of
well can uMadala ibhola nami there's a lot in terms of he's a coach but he's a good scout. You can see a
Yes,
player.
yeah.
He's a good scout. Well-born player.
Yes.
So yeah, that's very impressive from uMadala.
Yeah.
and then I know you didn't play for Chiefs but Rebua Polo General there's again Kaizer Chiefs players are struggling to get call-ups. And Madala Uchilo Street, I also span.
Yeah.
On your view.
O batla o lwantsha le batho ba Chiefs.
No, this is general.
Oh wena ke mang o mmonang ko Chizo ka Mdontsha
No,
currently
because
all right.
Because Matala phela chance Matala mfethu unale igazi Matala. The decision that in killing, especially Skata Safika, people were bashing him.
Yeah.
Hello Matala, this
Yeah.
and that.
But
They didn't understand who this guy. He knew exactly
To be-
South African football, and he knows South African players, and he knew exactly ukuthi laba ngizoyicala kanje lento ngizohamba nayo kanje.
Yes.
Because it's a disappointment for Kaizer Chiefs, in my view, not having players in the national team.
I think you have to prove yourself first. Go your team
Your team.
in order for you to get selected to play for the national team. And I won't say what Chiefs in Ali useless players or mediocre players. They do have good players.
Good players, yeah.
And Baba Sharp, I don't know or maybe what they are cooking because once it's because maybe sometimes they play like individuals. But if you play as a team, that's where you always shine.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You can be a good player, but that thing, you can't do the job.
You can look ordinary.
Or really too, or you can't. Once that's where you'll shine.
yeah
I Sensi.
yeah
Last
man,
thing
before yeah ngifuna ukubuza nje ngedayideng i-generation in my view, my opinion, you guys should be running South African football. You should be in management positions, running South African football. But I see most of them are coaching, or some of them are coaching. But a lot of you guys, niyekile niphumile ebholweni, and for me, I think that's a problem. What is the reason yokuthi amakhotman abhaya bewazi ibhola and know culture South African football yenza ukuthi niliyeke ibhola nithi hayi no, we want to go and do other stuff. Banivalela ngaphandle or what's the story there?
And just to add, Sense Vele, regarding that, wena Vele, are you involved in soccer? Njengoba so retired or what? Just to
Yeah.
add on what Sense yes.
Oh, okay. To start, question now, now I was involved in soccer, in coaching junior teams, go run back and work and to balance work and weekends, soccer actual coaching, and then from work during the week you go to training. I did it for 3 years and it was tiring for me. So I couldn't anymore. No. This is too much for me. Either if ever I'm serious with coaching the boys and whatever, then one thing must stop. The corporate thing must stop. Then get concentrated. Then I'll even have time for myself and my family. So that's why I stopped.
Oh.
And coming to your question, Sense, after playing football and retiring and whatever, we all want to be involved in different sporting codes or whatever. But how do I say, we can't be all coaches.
Yes, that's true.
We can't be all coaches. Now for myself, I like to help coaching, but I never took it serious. Or I wanted to be licensed or whatever. No.
Mara, there's different positions in football. Management.
Yes, you're right. And like I rather that everyone can sense about management to look after players and how local teaming. Maybe you are a team because you know what players want at the end of the day.
Yeah.
You understand? And because
You went through that hardship.
exactly. So management the player because you can be there, you know. That's a role I love to play, Linda. But also, who to play that role, we have to those courses.
Yeah.
1 year, 2 years, open knowledge, empower yourself with knowledge, and then you can apply for a job. But Niki Arista Zaza, If you know him, he used to play for Swallows, now Kwakwa Stars. So I'm staying with him go East Rand. You'll know him.
Yeah.
He was a very good player. Hey, maybe he was still. Hey, he was. Yeah, yo, that guy. So only these meetings are the this Kidi Masters.
Yeah.
Or Kidi Masters. Why is it bo Brashakes? Wabona group la bo Brashakes.
Yeah, I can say we king.
That's why
Usabe ukuthi ke legends jab.
Kidi Legends Masters or Kidi Masters. I don't know.
You're not ready.
Yes,
Yeah.
I've attended so many meetings there. You understand? Just to because, like you are saying, we want to see also football players in Lorona really Barana Safa or Balemo executive and whatever. But I'm happy now because I can see what David Nyati, they are there.
Yeah.
More Safa structures. I get David Tiliboma.
Yeah, badamara ubaspana na or babegiwe ukuthi sithule.
That's another thing.
That's another
Yes.
story, bruh.
Yes.
That's another
yes.
story,
yeah.
bruh.
I understand.
Yeah.
It's a good question here. Yeah,
That's
Jabu.
another
Because how
story,
about Bahlali Lamole and they're saying something and whatever.
Exactly.
Because of Abona background. Yeah.
You know they are there,
Yes.
but actually you don't see them.
Exactly. But the politics, the football, it's on. It's too much. Nah, that is why I said no. And now I'm sorry. Now I don't need this.
So-
I fought still playing football, and even after football, I've retired. Football politics,
Yeah.
that is why I.
Two questions, Khutmani. Singizoyivala. Your best coach or coachile in your football career,
Yeah.
uba Kimang, and then advice obviously njenge Khutman to le ntwana zamanje zithola inyuke bhaya kunabo Instagram kunabo social media lento okhulume ngayo bengekho ngalesa sikhathi senu nani and those things they can distract this current
Your
players
career, yeah.
easily. Uyabona, why futhi I'm saying this, I'm asking you this question is because uma Nqoba Ngwenya came to our show and he spoke highly ngawe ukuthi wile wamthatha waba imentor yakhe.
Oh yes.
Ayintwana.
Yes.
Yabona, that's why ngibuza le question because uma Nqoba he spoke highly ka wena big time uyakhumbula since on the show.
Remember.
Uyabona ukuthi kubaluleke kanjani ukuba nementor and waze wathi even today I know waze wathi even today you still brothers
Yes,
you
yes,
still together.
yes.
So you best coach and advice for these players because now it's different. There's njengoba ngishilo lento zabo social media is that distractor lezi zinto. Yabona, that distractor and kubaluleke kangakanani ukuba ne-mentorship based on what Manqoba said ukuthi udlale i-role enkulu kakhulu ku-career yakhe
Yeah.
as a mentor.
No, Jabu, it helps. It helps to have a mentor because you always look up to him and look how he behaves as well. Even I and Toto wrong, you can see. And people are talking or understand, or we don't like what this guy doing and whatever, the way he's behaving or whatever, either off the field or on the field. So also my advice, I would say to this young boys, be humble and be humble to what you are doing. Respect your football. It will take you far.
Yeah, and then your best coach in your career? Or coach Lin?
It was Ted.
Ted Dumitru.
Yes.
Thank you, Bafethu.
Khona question because first time isibiza umuntu odlale kule generation le. There's a player and ngicela ube honest.
Yeah.
Braje Jomosono Esinsoleni and
Esimnini.
Esimnini nelebe shaya ingodo yasekasi
Teenage.
teenage
Oh,
lad.
teenage, yeah.
Who was the best Khotman Lam? Who was the best? Asabukelanga phela thina labantu. Siyezwa.
Mina ngisalile.
No. Look. Those four, ne?
I can
Four
add.
names.
I can add quickly. I can add mfana ne. Nya
Yeah,
add and
yeah.
Professor Ngubane.
Yeah.
I can
Okay.
add.
Nafona. I don't know for other people. Nafona. they are all good, but the best player on Karate, it was Teenage.
What was Teenage?
Yeah.
Danko.
Fonda.
For
it was
you.
Teenage.
Bafethu,
Yeah.
don't forget to like, share, hit that notification bell for you to get the latest updates as Jabu Mahlangu and Tiskishandis. Shuffling Tiskiringas, and I'm saying Speti Grootman Tambai. Tambai. Yeah. Nizwile bafethu, nizwile, sibuzile thina umbuzo.
Yeah.
Yeah, iphendulile Grootman, nothing personal for yena. Yeah,
Yes,
ushilo
yes.
for yena. And before Sivala bafethu, this video was brought to you by eBetJet. Click the link below to register and use code Jabu11 to get your 125% first deposit sports bonus up to 1,000 rand. Use code Jabu10 to get 10 rand sports bonus bet. Jabu50 to get 50 free casino spins. Link to register bafethu manje. Spana neBetJet bafethu si support wa sharp. Grootman yami siyabonga kakhulu mfethu.
Awe, Javas. Thank you, my bra. Wat is dat?
Si rege pak hanyani la.
Wat wil je ik moet zeggen? Wat moet ik zeggen?
Ik ken niet uit daar man nee bro man nee.
Oké, wanneer ga je mee komen keer?
Siyabonga Grootman.
Awe.
Thank you sir. Mina ngikele sile coronation mara ebesingishaya man.
Is het?
Angisho nami ngibona ngathi
We kalaat, weet. Als maar net als je kan niet praten.
ek kan nie praat.
Ja,
No,
maar ons zal je leren. Niet waar. Het is een makkelijke taal.
Ek sê asebelieve.
Je kent. Awe.
Yeah, bafethu siyabonga kakhulu. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Tiskishandis. Shuffling Tiskiringas isiphethe i-legend ye-South African football Eric Tambai Ramasike bafethu. Thank you so much bafethu. Keep on supporting us. You know Guti, we still pushing EEE. We entertain, we educate, and we engage. See you in the next episode bafethu. Adios.
It's a rap, Ntwana.
It's a wrap.